dealership is swiftly taking form. With each passing day, we're witnessing the incredible evolution of our vision. The framework inside the building is coming together, and it's an exhilarating sight. What's more, the walls are beginning to rise, marking a significant milestone in this construction journey. Please stay tuned for further updates, including sneak peeks and details leading up to the grand opening. We appreciate your ongoing partnership and look forward to welcoming you to our new facility in Moncton.